Hey everyone, welcome back to PR Tool School. Today we're wrapping up the final video of the year, and we're diving into video casting tools, those essential apps and platforms that help PR pros create, stream, and share video content like a pro. Whether it's hosting a live webinar, streaming to multiple platforms, or polishing your content for on-demand viewing, the right tool can make all the difference. First up is StreamYard. This browser-based live streaming studio is perfect for hosting interviews, panels, and webinars. You can bring in remote guests, add custom branding, record your streams, and broadcast simultaneously across multiple platforms. For PR teams, it's a simple way to produce professional, engaging live events without complicated setups. Next we have Restream. This cloud-based multi-streaming platform lets you broadcast live videos to YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch, and more, all at the same time. It's ideal for amplifying your reach, ensuring your events hit every audience segment, and making the most out of every live session. Finally, let's talk about Camtasia. Unlike streaming tools, Camtasia focuses on screen recording and video editing. You can capture your presentations, webinars, or tutorials, then polish them into professional on-demand content. For PR teams, this means you can repurpose live streams, create training videos, or showcase products with a high-quality finish. These three tools, StreamYard, Restream, and Camtasia, cover live hosting, multi-platform reach, and post-production editing, giving PR pros everything they need to master video casting. As we wrap up the final video of the year, we'd like to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out the full PR tool database at prtoolfinder.com to explore even more tools for your team.